Here are 4 ways you can make money on the internet as a student or as a teenager. The first on my list right here is teaching other people. Just as I've shared on my YouTube channel how you can earn money by teaching people English, just how to speak English. There are a lot of people out there that are looking for information only you could offer. So that knowledge you have, you can learn to teach people on the internet. And most of these things you can just use your phone, alright? So learn to teach other people. That's my number 1 way you can make money on the internet as a student or as a teenager. One good thing about internet is this: nobody even care about your age in as far as you have that knowledge and you can offer and deliver to people. The second way you can make money on the internet as a student or as a teenager is selling handmade products, and you can do that using Etsy. I don't want to go in details on that because I have made video on that on my YouTube channel. Then the third one is editing TikTok videos. You'll be surprised by the number of people that are googling how to edit TikTok videos because they want to learn, and you will be surprised at the number of brands that are looking for someone to handle their TikTok page or to even create a TikTok page so that the person will be creating content, making videos or editing videos. So this is something you should look into because this is something you can do with your mobile phone. And if you don't know how to film, edit, upload or handle everything about TikTok, I have this video. I will link it in the description of the video. You can go and watch so that you learn how to film, how to edit, how to upload, how to run all these things, because there are people out there that are looking for whom will handle such. All right. The fourth way you can make money online as a student or as a teenager is by creating a personal website for people by just dragging and dropping. And again, I have detailed video explaining to you how to create a landing page website on my YouTube channel. The link is in the description of the video. And my bonus tip is this: that's my 5th way you can make money as a student or as a teenager is just go on Fiverr, create an account and link that account to your personal bank account. So if you're from your personal bank account, before you link that, you use Payooner, because creating a Payooner account is for free. All right, and I have explained again in detail how to open a Payooner account, how to link it to your Fiverr, so that you'll be offering services like graphic design and all this video editing for people to pay you in USD. There are a lot of things you can do on the internet. All right, it's not only about get rich quick or scam and all that. There are different ways you can make money on the internet. So like this video. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of the video, and all the links are in the description of the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel we talk about make money on the internet, cryptocurrency and how to monetize your knowledge.